Hi, this is Valerie from At My Home. So I've been a coffee snob for almost all of my life, I guess ever since I started drinking coffee. I actually even used to order Starbucks coffee beans out of a paper catalog, if you can imagine that, before there was a Starbucks on every corner. So I love my coffee, but for years I've just been making drip coffee at home with a regular old drip coffee maker. Now it does grind the beans, which is nice, but recently I've been traveling and I have discovered that pour over coffee is really good. People tried to tell me that before, but I didn't believe them. So I decided that I wanted to start making my own pour over coffee at home. So I went on Amazon and I found a couple of things that I can use to make my own pour over coffee. So let's open them up and see what they look like inside. All right, so this is a Bean Envy pour over coffee maker. I looked at a ton of these. The reason I like this is it's all in one piece. And it's got a stainless steel filter, so I don't have to use paper filters. That seems like a waste. So here it is. It comes with a little scoop. That's very cute. And right here on the top. Ooh, this is a very nice filter. It's a stainless steel filter. And it looks very sturdy, shiny. And it's nice because it's got a rubber gasket right here, so when you hold it, it's not going to be hot. That's not how the last one I used was. So this is really nice. Here's the filter. And let me pull this guy out of here. It's all glass. I better be careful. Alright. Comes with a nice book. Stop! I have something important to tell you. It's a nice postcard from Bean Envy. Put this over here. All right, here it is. So this is all in one piece, and it's glass. It's very nice looking. It's got, what's also really nice about it, it's got this silicone base, which if you've ever done this, you know that it gets really hot, so it's nice. It won't destroy the countertop. And since it's all in one piece here, oh, and it warns you, glass has a potential to break or crack. Okay, but good thing our warranty does it. Oh, that's really nice. So good. So I can feel pretty good about this little coffee maker. And it's interesting. It's all in one piece. So what you do is you just put this guy in here and put the coffee in, pour over the water, and your coffee comes in here. And you can take this out and pour it. So it's all in one piece. I really like that. But anyway, so you could just use a regular kettle to do this, but it's really nice if you use a gooseneck kettle. So I've got one right here. Let's open it up. Let's put this guy over here for a minute. All right, so this is a pour over kettle with a built-in thermometer, and it's made with surgical stainless steel. This is from, geez, I can't even read the name of the company. Stricoza Smart Choice pour over coffee kettle. All right, let me open it up. So what I've learned making my coffee and reading about it on the internet is that you really don't want the water to be boiling. You want it to be close to boiling, but not exactly boiling. So what's nice about this thing, here we go. Oh, hey, Amazon buyer. Oh, it's the Stricoza kettle I've been waiting for. I'm glad I can read the name of it here on this piece of paper because it's hard to read on the box. So let's move this guy over here. So this is nice because it's got a built-in thermometer on the top, and it's got a little green indicator there so you can see when your water is ready to pour. So that's nice. So this is pretty cool. It's surgical stainless steel. I can put this right on my burner, put the water in there, and pour it out. This has got a little protector here on the edge. And it's got a nice sturdy handle, and this handle is not supposed to get hot, so we'll see how that goes when I actually make it. So basically what I'll do is when I'm ready to go, I'll just scoop my coffee in here, put this on the burner, get it to the green, and then you just go shh, like this. And you know, this gooseneck makes it really easy to kind of pour it over slowly, so you just don't dump all your water on there, because this allows it to brew a little slower, and it makes a really nice cup of coffee. So So now I've got my pour over coffee maker and my gooseneck kettle. So this is the Bean Envy pour over coffee maker with the stainless steel filter. And this is the Stricoza gooseneck kettle with the built-in thermometer. So I'm really looking forward to trying this out and making a great cup of pour over coffee. Thank you.